Unit 3 Vocabulary Words. Schedule for this unit, our states of matter is on Monday and Tuesday, November 2nd and 3rd. Changes in the state of matter is going to be Wednesday, November 4th, and Monday, November 9th. November 5th is a short day. We will determine what we're going to do that day. And then you have no school on Friday. Gas behavior will be covered on November 10th and 11th. And finally, it's a gas will be covered on November 12th and 13th. The learning targets for the Unit 3 vocabulary are: I can list and define the Unit 3 vocabulary words, and I can make flashcards for the Unit 3 vocabulary words. Flashcard that you're going to be making is a little bit different than what you did before, with the words still going in the center, your name and physical science A1, B1, or B4 going in the upper right-hand corner. You can abbreviate physical science to PSCI. You'll have the definition in the upper left corner, the sentence in the lower left corner, 3 synonyms in the upper right corner, and then a translation of the word in the lower right corner. Synonyms are words that mean nearly or exactly the same thing as another word in the same language. For example, loud and noisy are synonyms. Large and big are synonyms. Rescue and save are synonyms. Present and gift are synonyms. You need to be careful because it depends on the structure of the sentence whether the word really is a synonym or it means something completely different. For example, if I save $10, I am not rescuing $10. I'm going to use freezing when I fill out a vocabulary flashcard. I used Google Translate, which is a wonderful site to translate between English and multiple languages around the world. So in my flashcard on the front, I would have freezing in the center, Mr. G and all physical science in the upper right-hand corner. If I flip over the card, what happens when a solid turns into a liquid? What happens when a liquid turns into a solid is the definition. 3 synonyms for that word, freezing, include chilly, icy, and wintry. The sentence that I would use is water freezes into ice at 0 degrees Celsius. I simply change the definition into a sentence. And English is not my first language, but my second language. So in my first language, Latvian, freezing is the same as sasaldēt. Unit 3.1 vocabulary words are energy, thermal energy, and plasma. Be careful with plasma because it is the chemistry version of plasma and not the biology version. Unit 3.2 is melting, melting point, freezing, freezing point, vaporization, evaporation, boiling, boiling point, condensation, and sublimation. And Unit 3.3 would be pressure, Boyle's law, and Charles' law. Homework for this unit are to complete the Unit 3.1 flashcards for the next class period. The learning objectives for Physical Science Unit 3, Section 1 are: the student can list and identify properties that are used to describe the states of matter, and the students can define the 3 states of matter: a solid, liquid, and a gas. We did a discovery activity with antacid and vinegar. You should watch the YouTube video to get an idea of what happened during the discovery activity. The gas state has no fixed shape and no fixed volume. It is made up of particles that move rapidly and that have large spaces between them. Examples of a gas are steam, oxygen, carbon dioxide, smog, which is smoke and fog combined together, tear gas, and helium. You can come up with your own examples as well, which is why these are in blue. Liquid has no fixed shape. It has a fixed volume. The particles move past one another easily, and they're fairly close, but not in a neat, even arrangement. Examples of liquids are orange juice, water, soft drinks, milk, rubbing alcohol, and vinegar. Again, you can come up with your own examples of liquids if that's easier for you to remember. Solid has a fixed shape and a fixed volume. The particles are arranged in tight, regular patterns, and they move very little. Examples of solids include ice, frog, cheese, bricks, wood, and popsicle. You should watch this video online for states of matter. In it, they talk about definite, indefinite, and compressibility. Definite means having fixed limits, so it has a definite area or volume. Indefinite means not having fixed limits, it fills the total area or volume. Compressibility means to press together or force into less space. Viscosity of liquids is another video that you should watch. That will explain what is viscosity, what effect did it have on how fast the marble rolled, and looking at the picture you should be able to tell me what the effect of temperature is on viscosity. Finally, homework is to complete the 3 Unit 3.1 flashcards for the next class period.